Welcome to this detailed guide on how to make sticky posts in WordPress in just 5 minutes. In this tutorial, you will learn how to ensure that one of your posts remains at the top of your blog page, drawing more attention to important content. The instructions provided will lead you through a series of straightforward steps designed for simplicity and ease of use. To begin, open your internet browser and navigate to the official WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Clicking on this login feature will direct you to the sign-in area, setting the stage for you to access your WordPress content management dashboard. This initial step is crucial as it allows you entry into the platform where you manage your posts. After clicking login, you will notice a welcome sign-in screen that presents several options. Instead of entering your username and password manually, find and click on the option that says Continue with Google. By selecting this option, you can streamline your login process using your existing Google account credentials. Once you click on Continue with Google, a prompt will appear asking you to select the account you wish to use. Carefully choose the appropriate account from the list that appears. This method not only simplifies the process, but also keeps your login secure and efficient. Once you have successfully signed in, the next phase is to locate your posts. You will need to navigate from your dashboard to the section specifically dedicated to your blog posts. Find and click on the link labeled Posts. This will take you to the area where all your published and draft content is listed, ready for editing. It is important during this step to clearly identify the post that you wish to make sticky, as only one post is managed at a time within this process. When you have identified your desired post, look for the Quick Edit option. Clicking on Quick Edit will reveal an array of settings and options that allow you to tweak various aspects of your post without entering a full editing mode. Within the Quick Edit settings, you will find the control for managing the sticky status of your post. This control is typically presented as a simple toggle switch labeled Make this post sticky. Make sure you turn on this option to ensure that your selected post will remain at the top of the list on your blog homepage. After turning on the sticky option, your final action is to click the Update button. The Update button confirms that all the changes you have made will be saved and the new sticky status of the post is put into effect immediately. Once the update has been processed, you have successfully made your post sticky in WordPress. This completes the process and you can now enjoy the benefits of highlighting a priority post on your website. This step-by-step approach facilitates a smooth and efficient way to manage sticky posts. By following these instructions carefully, you ensure that your important content remains visible to your visitors. Enjoy your enhanced control over your blog's layout and content presentation.